Alright guys, welcome back to another GTA5 video, and it is me, Relic Gaming, and today I'm here again with with Prodigy and Slaughter. Today we're having a demolition day, so let's see how it goes. Control on this lane. Okay, I'm out of the demolition derby. I quit. We'll go until we start. Whoever starts on fire first. Whoever screams first. No, actually, whoever flips first. We'll do that like starting now. Last one will walk the stores and we'll give them all the money. And that will be $3 grand. Can you subscribe to any Prodigy? Mouse and boom. And try. Please try to give us more subscribers. We don't got much. And try to give us a lot of likes. The more likes and the more subscribers, the more opportunities you guys will have to play with us. And if you do want to play with us, we'll type if you guys want to play with us, we'll type our gamer tags in, and whenever we're on, just hop into a game. But yeah, you're probably not going to be in all of them because we need a chance for everybody to be able to. So.
And we have to clear our guys.
And thank you.
Really lucky winner will get to be in a YouTube video with us.
And thank you, Expert Thief, Hype the Gamer, Jelly, and Outlaw Dipper. You guys are the ones that made me want to start doing a YouTube video, and probably most of them too. And we will be posting some videos up on Prodigy's channel. His channel is Prodigy Night Run. We'll put it in the description below. Well, actually, the comments. So.
Comment below the challenges. We'll be doing rank challenges.
Yeah, so whenever the heists come out, just tell us what you want to do. Drive what certain car or whatever. It doesn't matter to me.
Yeah, just let us know. And we will do our best we can to make that happen.
We can't promise you that we'll get you games, but if you guys keep subscribing, we will try to get you games. We can't promise, but we'll try. And another person that will be doing videos with us, his name is FazeX Flames, but he hasn't been on for a while. He got sick. He's in the hospital right now, so.
This video
is for you, Flames. Slaughter's out now. It's just. Now pause the game, Prodigy, get back lined up with me. Slaughter, you're out. You ready to back into each other, Slaughter? Prodigy, go. Go, go, go.
Hey YouTube, look at this.
I don't think you should be saying F you to the fans. Sorry, Prod. I was not trying to kill you. I was trying to kill Slaughter because he said F you to the fans, so.
No, I did.
Yes, thank you for giving us the opportunity to do that. That was so crap.
And give them sponsors so we can make something. We'll get back to you.
And we're going to finish our Demolition Derby off with this video. It's me, Prodigy left, whoever wins. we'll be treated with 3 grand. And so we're gonna end our video up here in a couple after this demolition derby. So come on, Prodigy. Ooh, and Prodigy did not win.
I am bloodier than crap.
And Prodigy won. Actually, I'm still in my wells.
Everybody, give a big hand
I'm still in my wells. I bounced.
to Prodigy. What?
You never won yet, bro.
And I gotta go lose the cops. Toodles.
The cops ran into me.
Alright, guys, we're just gonna say Prodigy win because he did flip me once, I believe. So we're just gonna go out on these cops by drifting. So let's go. Prodigy, I'll follow you. Go, go, go. Where are you going, bro? I had that one. Dang it. Found the Roosevelt, but...
It's so hard to drive in these conditions.
It's fun, though. Prodigy, I'll meet you at the house. Everybody meet up at the drifting spot.
Yes, sir.
Not, sir.
And on our next video, we will probably be going on a killing spree, right?
We might go on a killing spree either next video or the video after. We might go on missions this video coming up or going bounty hunting and stuff.
We will be doing 5.
And if you like that drift, hit that subscribe button and like button if you already haven't, because that was beautiful. Let's finish our demolition derby here since you technically didn't win the whole. Alright, guys. I'll see you in next video, and we will be doing, I might be doing a garage tour. We might have everybody do a garage tour, or we might be doing some missions and stuff. So we'll see you then.
Guys, when we see you guys.
Peace.